guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started grouping all the elements. So let's just again group this as well. So let's just select this. Let's mirror it over here in x-axis. So I'll just select this, delete it, select this, delete it, and drag it over here. Let's rename it as handrails 2. Okay, so that's your handrails 1 and that's the handrails 2 over here. Now again select this. So we have grouped this as well, the tire joint. Select this, this, select this all, and again let's group it. Base underscore cylinder 2, go into material, go into standard, and let's just give a color. Select this, select this, name it as stairs underscore 2. Let's go into the material, again take a standard, so we have renamed this and this, group it. Okay, okay, we have done for this staircase 1. So let's again select this and this, group it again, staircase underscore 3, material. So let's again assign the material over here. So we can do this. Now select this and delete it. Select this and this, again mirror it in y-axis, just shuffle it over here. So Windows 2 will keep it as it is. Select this, so again go into this pipe underscore 4, go into the material, go into the standard. Let's assign again a material over here. Let's select this all clamps over here. So we'll just select this all clamps, so select this all clamps over here. Now again group it, clamps, go into the material, give a standard material to all. So select this, select this again, go into this, unwrap UVW, go into open UV editor, select this, go into mapping, flatten mapping, tools, pack UVs. So I'll just select this, let's delete this, copy this, select this and this, delete it. So again, copy it in x-axis, drag it over here. So let's just select this. We missed out this all elements. Just a sec, if we have not done it. Okay. I'll just go over here. I'll select this quickly over here. That's all the things. Let's select this, exclude this. So again, go over here and let's delete it. So just select this, just save the file once, and then we'll group it again. So select this, so just copy this, so again select this, so let's just deselect this whole thing and let's group it. So let's name it as clips_1, mirror it in y-axis, make a copy of it, so again I'll go over here, I'll ungroup it, so let's go over here, so I'll just exclude it, again group it, clips_1, again select this, So again group it, clips underscore 2. So let's just delete all this. Just delete all this stuff over here. Now just drag it again. Okay. So we have just grouped this, we have grouped all this. I'll just remove this. So this is a big challenge over here when you are grouping all this. So there are multiple elements. So let's again group this all together itself. So that would be much easier. So again group it, front, glass, material. Just give a standard material over here as well. So we have renamed all this stuff. So let's select this and this. Again group it, lights, base underscore 1, material. So let's again give a standard material over here. Select this and this material. So again group this, go into the material, standard. Let's assign this. So there are a lot of elements. Select this and this, group it, front, pipe, material. Again let's give a standard material, and if you want to see, we can try it once to see how it is going to look like after you have assigned this all. So just group this, alright. So we'll just group this, name it as support material. So if you want, we can just give a test over here to check how it is going to look like. Alright. So select the whole thing, just save the file once. So let's go into this and say geometry, select this whole thing. You can just go into file, export selected, and let's export it Jan. So just export it into FBX. So let's click OK, and let's open your Substance Painter. And let's see how it looks like. So still few things are left over here. We'll just try to figure it out how it's going to work. Alright. So we'll just check it. Let's try to import it. So it's a very heavy file. You can just press 7 and see how many polygons are there into this. You can just press 7 and check it. So you can just go over here, let's click on select, so it's going to load the scene. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.